In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Roblox TDS Discord server. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or a browser at discord.com, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use because the server you join will be tied to it. Once Discord is open and loaded, you'll see your list of servers on the left side of the screen or along the bottom on mobile. Next, add a server. On desktop, look for the small plus icon in the server list, usually at the very bottom. On mobile, it's the plus icon on the sidebar or the home screen. Click or tap that plus to open the server options. Choose Join a Server. You'll see two main choices, creating a new server or joining an existing one. Select the option to join a server using an invite. This tells Discord you already have a link and want to hop straight in. Now enter the invite link for Roblox TDS https discord.g/TDS. Type it carefully into the invite field or copy and paste it to avoid typos. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the link. If you see an invite invalid message, it usually means the link was mistyped or has expired, so try again and be sure it reads exactly as shown. Finally, confirm by selecting Join Server. Discord will connect you and drop you into the Roblox Tower Defense Simulator community. You'll typically land in a welcome or rules channel. Take a moment to read any guidelines and follow on-screen prompts if there's a verification step like reacting with an emoji to unlock channels. That helps keep the server safe and organized. Once you're in, you can explore channels for announcements, updates, and chat. If you prefer fewer notifications, open the server's notification settings and adjust them to mentions only. You can also right-click or long press the server icon to move it higher in your list, making it easier to find next time. And that's it. Open Discord, add a server, choose Join a Server, enter the Roblox TDS invite link, and confirm. If you ever switch devices, just sign into the same Discord account and the server will be right there waiting for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in the Roblox TDS Discord server. See you inside the server and have fun.